Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Lesson number 16, the past tense. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks using the past tense of the given verbs. I dashed to the United States of America last year. The verb is go. The answer is I went to the United States of America last year. Second, the balloon dash as she touched it. The verb is burst. The answer is the balloon burst as she touched it. Third, he dashed me some soup when I was sick. The verb is bring. The answer is he brought me some soup when I was sick. Fourth, my mother dashed with the auto driver who was asking for more money. The verb is argue. The answer is my mother argued with the auto driver who was asking for more money. Fifth, we dashed around town yesterday. The verb is drive. The answer is we drove around town yesterday. Sixth, she dashed the painting we gave her in the living room. The verb is hang. The answer is she hung the painting we gave her in the living room. Seventh, I asked for a snack and she dashed a piece of cake for me. The verb is cut. The answer is I asked for a snack and she cut a piece of cake for me. Eighth, the pickpocket dashed towards the unknowing passer-by. The verb is creep. The answer is the pickpocket crept towards the unknowing passer-by. Ninth, Sunita dashed 5 laps in the pool today. The verb is swim. The answer is Sunita swam 5 laps in the pool today. 10th, the sweater dash after it was washed. The verb is shrink. The answer is the sweater shrank after it was washed. Exercise B. Rewrite the sentences in the tense given in the brackets. First, the scientists were conducting an experiment. You have to change it to simple past. The verb is underline were conducting. The answer is the scientists conducted an experiment. Second, she tried to fix the toy for her son. You have to change it to past continuous. Underline tried, and the answer is she was trying to fix the toy for her son. Third, the teachers worked hard to make a timetable suitable for everyone. You have to change it to past perfect. Underline worked and write down the teachers had worked hard to make a timetable suitable for everyone. Fourth, she had burnt herself while lighting the candles. You have to change it to simple past. The verb is had burnt. The answer is she burnt herself while lighting the candles. Sentence number 5 is omitted. Sixth, many students were feeling anxious before their exams. You have to change it to past perfect. Underline were feeling. The answer is many students had felt anxious before their exams. Seventh, Kevin called his father while boarding the plane. You have to change it to past continuous. The answer is Kevin was calling his father while boarding the plane. Question number 8 omitted. Ninth, we were trying to listen to the announcement on the noisy platform. You have to change it to simple past. The answer is, and the verb is were trying. The answer is, we tried to listen to the announcement on the noisy platform. 10th, I cut my finger while chopping vegetables for dinner. Change it to past perfect. The verb is cut. I had cut my finger while chopping vegetables for dinner.